Yeah, it's cool, eh?
It's amazing. It's just so tropical. So we've just left Cairns. We stayed at the NRMA holiday park and that was nice. We got to have a swim in the pool, have a shower.
Definitely wasn't camping, but it was good.
Yeah. And today we are heading to Daintree. See what else we find along the way and do some exploring. It's very tropical, it's beautiful. On the side of the beach, eh? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Literally driving through rainforest and right next to the beach. Stunning.
Coconut trees.
Coconuts. Oh wow, look it down on the beach. Oh my goodness. It's so light and so like crystal clear.
Yeah, it's cool.
It is. It's a really light blue.
Yeah.
What's up for a quick look at the Cape York Beach before we head to Daintree, and it is beautiful. Let's go. Country, waiting for the Daintree River. Nice big cassowary. It's taller than me. Yep. It's taller than me. Cassowary.
How are you, legend?
Hey, good, mate, good. Truck, right?
Cheers, man.
What do you reckon? Daintree Ferry.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah. Gonna go across.
Finally made it.
What do you reckon?
It's awesome.
It is so beautiful. I just can't believe it. Like, we're here. We're actually doing it.
It's happening.
It's happening. We're doing it. Hoping we'll see a cassowary, but
yeah. Look at all.
There's a lot of signs, so you know, here's hoping. Discovery. Oh my goodness, it's a dinosaur. Did you know there was dinosaurs at Cape York? I didn't know there was dinosaurs at Cape York.
Oh, it's soft. Is it?
Oh, you squishy dinosaur. Speedy runner. What a cute little dude. Discovery. What'd you discover at the Discovery? Prettiness. Oh, what else? I've just discovered that there's kangaroos that climb trees. Look at that. They're tree kangaroos. Oh my goodness. They have padded, agile feet for gripping. And they're only found in Australia and Papua New Guinea. Wow, that is so cool. We saw those. They have all these nests all through trees. It's so cool. Pied imperial pigeon. Oh yeah, we saw those too. Torres Strait imperial pigeon. There you go. Sulphur crested cockatoo. So cute. Yeah, cool. I love all the touching sensory stuff.
It's good.
It's good. Lots to learn and read.
Oh, I've just been looking.
I got a new shirt and it says, what a beautiful day to learn. I should have worn that one today.
Maybe
I didn't know I was coming here. So cool. They look like a beautiful butterfly. I'm a beautiful butterfly. Yeah.
not moved.
Hi, Pippa. What are you doing? Having a sleep? Just chilling. Who else have we got? This is Jet. Jet, where is Jet? Can you see Jet hiding? Oh,
He's Jet
there he is.
Oh, he shed his skin.
Oh, he is too.
He's
Look
having
at that.
having a shed.
Who is it?
He's at a feeding.
River.
Feeding.
What's River doing?
He's at a feeding.
He's chilling. Good little River. Oh my goodness, I found a dinosaur! Sorry. I found a dinosaur! I found a dinosaur! Oh my goodness! Look at it!
It's a cassowary.
Nicknamed the Demon Duck of Doom or the Thunderbird. Wow!
Duck of doom, I love it.
Triple D.
That's so cool. It's like a big chicken. I'm going on a dinosaur hunt. I'm gonna find a big one. I'm not scared. Uh-oh, a dinosaur. It's a megalina.
Yes. Okay.
Is a giant wombat. There you go, Diptrodon. How cool is he? Whoa,
There's one here.
I didn't see you there.
Did you see this one?
Oh my goodness, I missed one.
Oh, it moves.
Thanks for telling me it moves.
You should get the fuck out of me too. Like, filming your own thing here, bro.
Need to settle in. That was hilarious.
Southern cassowary. Look how big he is. Oh, look at the little babies. So cute. And there's the eggs. Look how big they are. It's bigger than my hand. My goodness.
Does not look as good there.
Look at them all. Little spiny leaf insects. How cool. Each group of pollinators has its favourite coloured flower. Landing 3. We've just been at the Daintree Discovery Centre and now we're heading to
Cape Tribulation for lunch.
Woohoo! Daintree tea. All the tea. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. And we've got some ready to have breakfast tomorrow morning. What'd you say?
Cape Tribulation.
Is there? You're not going to rhyme for me now. Oh, 1K ahead. Cape Tribulation is our lunch destination.
That's a
on Cape Tribulation Beach. Look at that. There's a lot of people here. It is beautiful though. Look at that. You can see all the boats. How cool. How you going?
Good, this one.
So,
Looks a bit different across harbour.
well, this is Cape Tribulation, and so over here, on this point over here, that point over there is the tip, the point that they called Cape Tribulation. So everything's about that little point here, and that's what this beach is.